Welcome to Southeast Wiring Solutions 2 gig window door sensor battery replacement. This is a simple process. What you're going to do is identify the top and the bottom of your sensor by seeing if you see the release trigger on either the top, in this case it's not, or the bottom, which is where ours is. Then you're going to take one finger, place it on the opposite side, and with the other, decompress this sensor, and you should receive a tamper notice from the panel, as well as reveal the inside portion of your sensor with the two CR2032 batteries. Now we're going to move to a flat surface for best recommendation of battery replacement due to this being a tricky situation sometimes. Now you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and insert in while holding a finger down so you don't lose your battery. Just pop it gently out. Then we're going to do the same thing. And we have our batteries out. Once you have your batteries out, you can take your replacement CR2032 batteries and place them back inside. Now the key thing to remember when replacing your sensor back to its place is that you actually put the opposite side with your two nooks into place. So you're gonna place this in first so it forms a triangle and then snap it back into place. And you've just replaced your 2 gig window door sensor battery. Thank you and have a wonderful day.